Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Subs by Chinwe. If you are new here, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my soap making videos. So in this production, I'll be teaching you how to make soda soap, the simplest and easiest way to make soda soap. And also watch to the end, so I will give you the breakdown of the cost and the profit made from this video. Today I'll be explaining how soda soap is made at home, important safety rules, and a safe method beginners can use. Soda soap is a solid soap made when oils react with an alkaline substance in a process called saponification. It is commonly used for bathing, laundry, also general household cleaning. You can literally use soda soap for anything: washing of plates, wash your clothes, and it's very foamy. In the bowl, we already have our bleached palm oil. Yes, I use the local way to bleach our palm oil, in case you don't have the chemical. I guess they say have chemical in which you use in bleaching your palm oil to avoid undergoing the stress of using fire and so on. But in this process the chemicals are not available, so I used the fire way to bleach our palm oil. Before any production for soda to get that white texture color, you have to bleach your palm oil. This production, I used 6 liters of oil for this production. Yeah, 6 liters. Then my caustic soda is 3 liters. Yes, I used 3 liters of caustic soda. Please, before you make any production, make sure you measure your ingredients, your recipe correctly. Please measure your ingredients correctly to get a final and a good result. So if you want to know more or you want to learn more on how I measure my ingredients, you can chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is there. My WhatsApp number is on my profile. You can check it there, then ask me the necessary questions, or you can write down your question in the comment section. I also attend to it. It will harden up and you will not be able to scoop your soap to the mold or to the cups or to whatever you want to use it for. So you just try to be very fast. I can see at the corner, you see I have to call my siblings to help me out with some molds so I can be fast in putting my soap in the cups, the measuring cups. So in this production, you don't even have any excuse like I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have mold. You don't have any excuse. You can literally use any mold at all. Like in this video, in this production, I used disposable cups. Like as you can see, different types, different sizes for this production. So this last one here is those ones I couldn't get those ones to scoop in the cup, so I decided to make balls. Yes, because they've hardened up already, so I decided to use them as balls. So I would advise that in your own production, try wearing these gloves, because these the soap is still very it's still very active, the caustic soda, so it won't burn your fingernails. You get, so you use gloves, these plastic gloves, in molding these the soap balls. Yeah. So I said earlier that I was going to give a breakdown of the cost and profit in this soap making. So the total amount of chemicals used for this production is 16,400, and I was able to make, when I did the production, I calculated everything, it came out 22,800. So let's do a calculation. You do 22,800 minus 16,400. That means the profit now in this production is 6,400. And remember, I used just 2 ingredients, just 2 recipes I used for this production. So there are other ways to make times 3 of your profits in production. Yeah, it's very possible. So in our next video, I'll be making a video by adding other recipes to give you what maximum profit. You can make times 3 times 5 of your profit in soda soap production. Yes, very possible. So stay glued on this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, then leave your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.